Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Infinity Insights. A very warm welcome to all the new subscribers who have recently joined my channel. Thank you so much for your love and support. It is quite motivating me a lot to create some insightful content for you in the near future also. I will be posting such videos. So without wasting any further time, let's get to the topic. So today's topic would be based on the age problems which you might have faced in many of your competitive exams. So the question says that the age of A and B are in the ratio 8 is to 3. 6 years hence, their ages would be in the ratio 9 is to 4. You're asked to find their present ages. So in this question, what you are supposed to find the present ages. In the question, you're already given the present ages ratio. Your task is to find the present age. So it is very much means that it is the most basic concept that whatever the option is, it would be the ratio of the ratio given in the question, that is the what is given in the question, 8 is to 3. So before solving it by using that class 6 maths, like you might have used algebra methods like using x, y, etc and all. So before jumping into all sorts of those equations, first of all, you just need to check that if the options are containing this ratio or not. If this contains the ratio, then you would go to the solving that using those equations. But now, first you have to check it. So if we get that 8 is to 3 in any of the options, that would be the answer. So let's check it. 48 is to 18. If we reduce it by 6, we are getting it 48 8 is to 3. So it might be an answer. 5621, if we are reducing it by 7, it is getting again 8 is to 3. So examiner might be very wise. He might be putting in the options all the ratios which would be coming exactly to 8 is to 3. Now what you will do in this question, how to solve without using those algebraic methods and all. What I am going to tell you, please listen carefully. In the It is given in the question that 6 years hence the ratio would be 9 is to 4. That means whatever the data in the answer is given, that is their present age. If you add 6 years to them, then it would become then the ratio 9 is to 4. So after adding 6 in any of the options, you must get a multiple of 9 or a multiple of 4 in case of A and B respectively. I hope I am clear to you all. So let's add 6 to any of the options. Let's start with the option number, I'm starting with option number 4, 40. 40 plus 6, you are getting 46. 46 is a multiple of 9? No, it's not a multiple of 9. So option 4 is not the answer. So let's check option number 3. 72 plus 6 gives you 78. 78 is not a multiple of 9. This is also not an answer. Option number 3, 56 plus 6 is giving you 62. Again, not an answer. So we are only left with option number 1. It should be the answer. Let's check it with our concept also. 48 plus 6, 54. So we are getting 54, which is also a multiple of 9, and hence it is our answer also. So you can see, without using any algebraic method, or we do not need not to use a pen paper also in this method to solve such type of problems. This is a very small question and very much means what to say, very basic question. You might not need to solve it using a pen or paper. I hope you liked my trick. So in this case, using this technique, we were able to solve this question without using any of the complex methods. So and the examiner would be very wise also. He might give you such options where you might get a multiple of 9 in any of the 2 options or 3 options. So it is just a matter of fact I am sharing with you. So In the next sum, we are going to discuss some more methods to solve such problems. So in this type of problems, what you are asked is to find the present ages ratio, but you are not given the actual ages, means whatever was given in the previous question, it is not like that. You are given here is 10 years ago their ratio, and after 5 years their ratio is given. So what you are going to do in this type of problem, you cannot simply just analyze the options and find the result. It's not possible now. What you are going to do here is to note down the ratios whatever the question has given you, 1 is to 3 and 2 is to 3. You are going to find out the difference between the two, means Ram and Rahim, 1 is to 3 and 2 is to 3. You are going to note down the difference. After noting down the difference, whatever you have got in the difference, you are going to multiply those in the crossways. That means in the first case the difference was 2, this 2 you have to multiply with this one, and this 1 means after 2 minus 3 1 you are getting, this 1 you have to multiply with this one. Here it is 1, you might get 3 5 etc. So after multiplying you are getting some new ratios, that is 1 is to 3 and 4 is to 6. Now what your task is to do is to find out the actual increase. That means 1 is increased to 4 and 3 is increased to 6. So this increase should be equal after performing all the, means whatever I have told just now. So after getting the increase, you are going to equate it with the age gap which is given in the question, that is 10 and 5. So the total age gap is 15 years. So this 3 units increase is equivalent to 15 years. So you must be getting 1 unit is equal to 5 years. So after getting this 1 unit value, you are not going to put it in these ratios. These ratios are now not working anymore. You have to put this in this ratio, means before 10 years your ratio was 1 is to 3. So after multiplying it with 5, you are getting 5 and 15, but you are asked you to find the present ages. So 10 years ago, so if we come to present, then it would be 5 into 10 plus 15 into 10. So the present age ratio is 10 is to 25. So after getting the present ages, you can easily find out the ratios. So the answer will be here will be 2 is to 5 simply. So I hope you like this trick of mine. I hope all the two methods are very much clear to you, where you can easily simply evaluate all these ratios. These are the most common type of questions you are going to face in your uh, government exams and placement exams also. So I hope to see you in the next video. uh, Thank you for all your response and thank you for watching. Please do keep watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon to get the regular updates on my channel. Thank you.